Here is a circular reflection pond. Its center is O. Points A, B, and C sit on the rim. The lines from the center out to A, to B, and to C are all radii, so they are all the same length. The angle AOB is 80 degrees. The angle BOC is 40 degrees. Find the angle ABC at point B. Pause the video and try this one yourself. No single rule jumps straight to the answer here, so look for smaller triangles you can solve first. The equal radii are the secret. Take your time. Let us chain the facts together. Start with triangle OAB. The sides OA and OB are both radii, so they are equal. That makes triangle OAB isosceles. The two base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. The three angles in any triangle add to 180. We know the top angle is 80, so the two base angles share what is left. 180 minus 80 is 100. Split that in two. Each base angle is 50 degrees, so the angle OBA is 50 degrees. Now do the same with triangle OBC. The sides OB and OC are also radii, so this triangle is isosceles too. Its top angle is 40. 180 minus 40 is 140. Split that in two. Each base angle is 70 degrees, so the angle OBC is 70 degrees. Now look at point B. The whole angle ABC is made of two pieces. It is the angle OBA plus the angle OBC. That is 50 plus 70. The angle ABC is 120 degrees. See how one fact fed the next? Equal radii gave us isosceles triangles. Each triangle summed to 180. That gave the base angles. And the angle at B was just the two base angles added. No single step did it alone. The chain did. This is the chain the angle facts rule. If no single fact closes the problem, chain them together. Equal radii make isosceles triangles. Each triangle sums to 180 degrees, and the angle at a shared point is the two base angles combined. Look for several triangles that share a vertex or share equal sides. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.